This is a basic payroll ledger. It's a core business document, but it's also a toxic asset. It contains names, home addresses, social insurance numbers, and private bank account details. If you have ever emailed a file just like this, as a simple, unencrypted attachment, you have likely already broken provincial law here in Alberta. And the penalty isn't just a warning. For an organization, it's a fine of up to $100,000. Welcome to the Prairie Ledger Playbook. As expert bookkeepers, it's our job to manage this sensitive data. But as a reminder, this video is for informational and educational purposes only. We are not lawyers. This video does not constitute professional legal or tax advice. You should always consult a certified professional for advice on your specific legal and financial situation. So, what is this compliance gap? We call it the Alberta PIPA Gap. Most business owners have heard of the federal privacy law PIPEDA. And they correctly assume it generally does not apply to their internal employee information. This creates a dangerous blind spot. Here's the problem: that assumption is wrong. Here in Alberta, our own provincial law, the Personal Information Protection Act, or PIPA, absolutely applies to your employee information. It closes the gap that PIPEDA leaves open. This means that payroll file, with its SINs and bank accounts, is legally defined as maximal sensitivity data. That classification isn't just jargon. It legally dictates the highest level of protection. PIPA mandates that you must develop, follow, and maintain policies to protect it. This includes having administrative safeguards. Now, be honest, do you have a formal, written PIPA privacy policy for your employee data? A policy that outlines how you collect, use, store, and securely destroy that information. Most DIY businesses don't. That's violation number 1. Sending that payroll file as a simple, unencrypted email is a textbook failure to provide reasonable technical safeguards. That single send button click is a clear technical violation. It's like mailing a master key in a clear envelope. The OIPC, Alberta's Privacy Commissioner, confirms that these simple, preventable transmission errors are a primary driver of data breaches. And here's the part that really matters: PIPA's accountability principle is absolute. You cannot contract out your liability. You cannot pass the blame. If you hire a cheap freelancer and they use an unsecured email and cause a breach, the law views you, the business owner, as the one who failed. The liability follows the data you collected. So, what's the how? The how is not a 10-point checklist, because compliance isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing professional process. The solution is to build a framework of accountability. When you work with us, you are not just hiring a contractor. You are engaging a professional custodian. A contractor performs a task. A custodian is professionally responsible for what they hold. We provide the administrative and the technical safeguards, like our secure, encrypted client portal that PIPA demands. The real return on investment of professional bookkeeping isn't just time saved. You are buying protection. You are buying peace of mind in the form of professional, insured compliance. The real ROI is catastrophe avoided. If you are an Alberta business owner and this video has you rethinking your DIY setup, don't wait. Stop guessing and start knowing. Click the link in the description to book a free, confidential assessment. Prairie Ledger Services, your books balanced, your brand built, your business automated.